Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2023 Ford Escape plug-in hybrid. It comes equipped with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder gas hybrid engine paired to a CVT transmission. Other maintenance included such as premium leather heated seats, a panoramic sunroof, as well as drive mode selector, Bang & Olufsen sound system, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all black interior. You got paneling, cup holder storage on the bottom next to the Bang & Olufsen sound system. Power locks, mirrors, and windows, seat memory, the chrome accent handles. Onto these seats, you're going to need these premium leather heated seats, super comfortable. And left side, you're going to have your lighting control, and as well as your power lift gate. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward gap adjuster, and lane keep assist with voice recognition. And the right side being your odometer clutch control and skid track. Now for the odometer, it's all digital. You can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip information, gauges, EV coach, comm screen, as well as you can access other maintenance, audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and your heads-up display as well. So you're gonna have push to start just on the side there and onto the infotainment. So equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in navigation. You can see climate controls on the bottom with the heated steering wheel. You have other features including driver assistance, drive mode selector, like I said, your towing, you can access your charge settings and power flow, and other downloadable apps included. You're going to have your vents next to your park assist, and as well as your drive mode selector with your camera, 360 degrees, with two USB ports, a 12 volt, and a wireless charge pad. You're going to have a sliding shifter there with park brake and extra storage. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, heated, chrome accents all the way across, speakers vents up top, heads-up display, and then here you can access your reading lamps, sunglass case holder, and your panoramic sunroof. So you get these 18-inch wheels on Michelin Primacy Tour all-season tires. You're going to have a plug-in charge port, paint match mirror caps, and keyless entry door handles, luggage side rail up top, deep tint rear glass in the back, dual exhaust with the trailer hitch. To the back here, you got the 60/40 rear folding split seats, you got the weather mats, you get the plug-in hybrid there, 12 volt DC port and speakers in the back, as well as extra storage and tools down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, you get more paneling storage next to speaker, power window with chrome accent, hop in the back, very decent legroom, storage behind the passenger side with rear vents, rear USB-C ports. Got the cup holder and armrest right in the center, lamps and handles on the side, and above you again, the panoramic sunroof. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2023 Ford Escape plug-in hybrid with the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder plug-in hybrid gas engine, as well as a panoramic sunroof, Bang & Olufsen sound system, drive mode selector, heads-up display, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.